In this video, we'll walk through the proper startup procedure for a MIG welder, step by step. Ensure your work area is clean, dry, and well ventilated. Remove flammable materials and confirm that a fire extinguisher is nearby and accessible. Before powering up, inspect all electrical cables. Check for cuts, cracks or frays, exposed wires, burn marks or signs of overheating, loose or damaged connections. Now check the shielding gas system. Ensure the cylinder is upright and secure. The regulator is firmly attached and in good condition. Gas pressure is correct and the flow is set between 16 to 18 litres per minute. Gas lines are undamaged and tightly connected. Make sure you inspect all consumables before using. The contact tip should be clean and undamaged. The nozzle should be free of spatter. Replace the contact tip and nozzle if they are damaged. Ensure the correct wire type and size is loaded. Check that the wire feeds smoothly and drive rollers are properly adjusted. Now you're ready to power on the MIG welder. Set your voltage and wire feed speed according to the material and job specification. Do a short test weld to confirm proper wire feed and gas coverage. Listen for a smooth and stable arc. Following this proper startup procedure keeps you safe and your equipment in top condition. Weld smart, weld safe. Komatsu Training Academy, creating value together.